Number 5 is ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Resin 3D printer is the perfect investment for small businesses that require a high-performance 3D printing solution for small businesses that demand only the best 3D printing technology. Its sleek, compact design and user-friendly features make it an excellent option for beginners and professionals. With a 6.08-inch monochrome LCD of 2K HD resolution, the ELEGOO Resin 3D printer delivers unmatched printing details and precision. Its rapid 2-second per layer exposure time cures resin quickly, significantly boosting your printing efficiency and productivity. This printer is built to last, thanks to its CNC machined aluminum body that ensures long-lasting performance. The multi-language interface supporting 12 different languages, including Japanese, Dutch, Korean, French, German, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Portuguese, makes the ELEGOO Resin 3D printer easy to use by customers worldwide, regardless of their native language. The ELEGOO Resin 3D printer is a top-of-the-line solution for small businesses. Its cutting-edge printing quality, fast printing speed, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for companies seeking a reliable, efficient, and professional-grade 3D printer. So if you want the ELEGOO Resin 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for small businesses. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.